I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to take a look at a snapshot of your financials in QuickBooks Online. Now, if you have a company that is doing your bookkeeping and they generally keep things up to date, or if you're doing your bookkeeping and you know that it's up to date, then you can pull a fairly accurate profit and loss statement, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So if you click on Reports when you log in, and I like to look at profit and loss by month, because if you just look at profit and loss for your total year, it might not make sense entirely. I like to see it month by month to compare how I did this month as compared to last month. So my favorite view to see how my company is doing is profit and loss by month. And this is a report that's already created and standardized in QuickBooks, and you can find it in the report section. So over here, we're just going to click on profit and loss by month. And I'm just going to close this prompt here. We're just looking at a demo company. So we're looking at just January, which is why you're not able to see anything. I'm going to change this to last year. Last year. Now it's going to change date to the 1st of January to the end of December last year, and you're going to click Run Report. Okay, so this is how the company did last year. You'll notice that there's a lot of zeros and blanks in certain months, and this is because this company doesn't look like it had any activity in it until September 2018. So if you scroll over to the right, you'll see the year-to-date total here. And what is important and what I always look at is your net income for the year. How much did you make for the net income here? As well as how do you compare month over month. So in August, we see that in this company, they have a loss of $300, and we can look to see why that is in the details by scrolling up here. So this number, the net income, is what I immediately look at firsthand. One thing to note though is if your year is not complete, then your more recent months activity might not depict a full picture of how your company is actually running. So ask your bookkeeper how up to date your account is. So if you have not given them the information to update the account, they may only have it updated to, say, for example, October, and November, December are not yet finalized. So I love this view. Take a quick look at it. You can look at last year, and if you want, you can take a look at the current year to see how you compare. And in this year, we only have January information. And especially if you're looking at current month, it may not be entirely up to date because we know, for example, right now we're in the middle of January, so January might not be entirely closed yet. Okay?